So 2026 is here, or let me say 2026 is almost here, depending on when you are watching this video. But one thing I'm sure about is that the main reason why you clicked on this video is because one of your goals for 2026 is how to make money for yourself. And trust me, when it comes to making money online, I am your best guy. Now, to make this video so short and valuable at the same time, I've decided to divide the content of this video into 3 main parts. And if you are serious about actually making money in 2026, you should take these 3 parts of this video really serious, and please don't skip any part of this video, because these 3 sections of this video, they all work together, and you will see why I've said that in this video. Before I continue this video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Tech, where we'll teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love videos that will teach you these things, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please like this video, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you never miss an update from this channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Now, if you are serious about making money in 2026, the first step or the first section of this video is to build your foundation. That's step 1. Now, you see, every success story starts with a very strong foundation. And when it comes to money, your foundation is built from discipline, from knowledge, and from capital. And you see these 3 things, they are very, very important. Now, let me state them again. I said discipline. Discipline is how you are disciplined with your money. And then number 2, I said knowledge. Now, knowledge means that you know what you know about money and how it works. And number 3, I said capital. So these are the 3 important things you need to know when you are building your foundation. Now, you see, you can't make more money if you don't have control over the money you are already making. So this first step, which is building your foundation, is about building financial stability. And here's how you can do that. Now, don't forget I said this is step 1, so we still have 2 more steps or 2 more sections of this video to go. Now, back to building your foundation, here is how you can actually build your foundation if you're actually serious about making more money in 2026. Now, the first way to build your foundation is to actually learn how money works. Now, you see, you need to spend time understanding the basics of money, which are your income, your expenses. You need to understand saving money, investing money, and budgeting. All of these things I've just mentioned, these are the basics of personal finance that a lot of people don't even understand. Because the more you understand how money flows, the easier it becomes for you to control it. And if you are serious about learning how money works, then you need to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, because on this YouTube channel, I've made so many videos teaching you guys how to make money, how to invest your money, how to save money, how to budget, and so on. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and do that right now. Thank you. Now, the second way to build your foundation if you're serious about making money in 2026 is to start making money and saving money. Now, you see, I did not just say start making money. I said start making money and start saving money. Now, why did I say that? Now, the reason why I'm simply saying that is because you need capital to be able to make bigger moves later. So if you're already making some money right now for yourself, please start saving a portion of that money, and please don't save that money in the bank. Don't save it in the bank. Make sure you're actually saving that money in a high interest savings account. And that exactly is what we are building with Growny. So you can see on my shirt right here, I have Growny. So what is Growny all about? Now, on Growny, you will have access to high interest savings and different options of investment. And not just that, you'll also be able to create a monthly budget on the app to monitor and track how you make your money and how you spend your money every month. So if this is something you will love, or maybe you are curious about what Growny is all about, please check the description of this video or check the link in the pinned comment of this video to join the waitlist for Growny so that you can be notified when the app is out. Thank you. So that's by the way. Now, I've talked about learning how money works, start earning and saving. Now, the third step to building your foundation is to learn a high income skill. Now, you see, if you're serious about making money in 2026, you need to have a high income skill. Your skills are actually your biggest asset if you have no money, or maybe you have no capital to start any business. You need to learn something that people are willing to pay so much money for, and something that will be able to make more money for you over the long term. And in case you don't have any skill to learn, we have a video on the 13 high income skills to make money in 2026. The link to that video will be in the description below. So make sure you check it out and pick maybe 1 or 2 skills in that video to learn, and look for how you can turn those skills or whatever skill you decide to learn into different income streams that can help you make more money and even help you save more money. I hope you understand. So that's for step 1, which is building your foundation. So I've talked about 3 things for that step 1. And when you have built your foundation properly, you create stability. I mean financial stability. And that financial stability is what will give you the freedom to move to this next stage, which is step 2. Now, you see, once you've done your step 1, which is building your foundation, that is, you now understand how money works and you have a little bit of capital, then it is time for you to create your money engine. Now, you see, your money engine is something I refer to as your income system. So it's a thing that generates cash flow for you consistently. So this thing could be like a business, a side hustle, or maybe you build a digital brand for yourself, whichever one. But the goal here is to move from just making money to now creating systems that can make more money for you. Now, let me break it down. Now, the first way you can do this is to start an online business in 2026. Now, you see, in 2026, the internet will be the easiest place to make money for anybody and everybody. Now, you see, you can be able to sell products or services from anywhere around the world, and you could try to sell maybe digital products like ebooks, templates, or even online courses. And you can also try maybe drop shipping or maybe freelance services like editing, design, social media management, many more. You can try different things. And in case you already have a skill, you can now look for how you can turn that into an online business in 2026. Now, the second way to build your money engine in 2026 is to build a personal brand. Now, you see, people buy from people they trust. And if you start building your own personal brand right now through social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, X, and so on, you can be able to attract clients or customers for your business. And you can be able to attract things like sponsorship deals. I can attract valuable people into your life and so on. Now, you see, building a personal brand in 2026 is one of the most important things I advise you to take really, really serious, honestly. And you can be able to share what you know, you can teach whatever you are learning, and the more value you are giving to people on the internet, the more attention and the more income you're able to make for yourself. Now, the third way to create your own money engine is to solve real problems. Now, you see, whether you plan to build an online business or maybe a personal brand in 2026, your focus must be one thing. And you see, that thing is actually giving value and solving real problems, because the best businesses out there are the ones who are solving real problems for people. So you can just look around your environment and ask yourself, what do people actually struggle with that I can fix, or maybe that I can solve? It could be anything. And you see, every successful business starts by solving just one simple problem very, very well. Now, I've mentioned 3 ways to create your own money engine in 2026, but the thing is, whichever of these 3 things you decide to create your own money engine in 2026, it doesn't have to start big. What matters is that you start and you continue, because once you have something bringing in consistent income for you, even though it is small, you've entered the next level, which is step 3 or stage 3. So we've talked about step 1, which is building your foundation. We've talked about step 2, which is creating your money engine. And now that you're already making money, the next step, which is step 3, is to grow and multiply your money. So this is the stage where you go from making money to actually building wealth for yourself. And this is not going to just happen in 2026. This can actually happen beyond 2026 after you've created a good foundation and a good money engine for yourself. I hope you understand. Now, the key idea here is simple. What you are doing is to make your money work for you instead of you working for money. And here is how you can start. Now, the first way, which I always advise people to do, is to invest in the stock market. Now, you see, investing in stocks or index funds will let your money grow over time. And it simply means you're investing in companies or maybe a group of different companies. And then you make money when the value of that company or the value of the group of companies goes up. And you can start very, very small. You don't have to start with huge amounts of money, but you can only increase your income from the stock market when you are consistent with it. I hope you get it. And when you're investing in stocks, please focus on companies that are valuable and stable. Now, in case you want me to give you a guide or a complete guide on how to invest in the stock market and make money from it, we have a video on that too. The link to that video will be in the description below. So please, if you are new to the stock market, you can check it out. If you are trying to learn about investing in stocks and making money from it, also check out that video. And in case you already know what the stock market is all about and how to invest in it, but you are looking for the good stocks to invest in, now here's what I want you to do. I have a list of the top 10 stocks to invest in. For you to get that, please subscribe to this YouTube channel first, like this video, then drop a comment in the comment section asking for it. Just ask me to give you the top 10 stocks to invest in and I will reply your comment with that list. So make sure you do that. Go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I will reply your comment with the list. Now, the second way to grow and multiply your money is to explore real estate. Now, you see, real estate is one of the oldest ways to build wealth. You can actually invest in land, buy property, or maybe start investing with real estate investment trust, or maybe fractional real estate, whichever one. And the thing is that real estate gives you both appreciation and cash flow. So this means that your money grows while also paying you back regularly. And we also have videos on how you can invest in rate or fractional real estate with as low as $10. So you don't need to start with huge amount of money in the real estate market. And the link to that video will be in the description below. So in case you are thinking about investing in real estate, just check out the link in the description below. Now, the third way to grow and multiply your money in 2026 is to invest in yourself. Now, you see, this is one important advice I always give to people once they start making money. And you see, once you start making money from anything or maybe something, please invest in yourself. Invest in getting better at whatever skill or business that made you that money so that you can be able to make more money from it. And I've also come to realize that some people actually see investing in themselves as waste of money. You know, all these things like courses, mentorship programs, or even books, they might not sound like investment to you, but they are the most powerful investments in the world. Trust me. And when you learn new things, your earning potential increases. And the smarter and the more skilled you become, the more income you'll be able to make from whatever skill you have. Now, the fourth way to grow and multiply your money is to have more investment. Now, you see, aside from investing in stocks, which I talked about, investing in real estate, or even investing in yourself, there are still more ways you can invest your money so that it can make more money for you. So you have mutual funds and you have crypto and other investments out there. Now, these are investments that can actually make more money for you. So mutual funds is for you if you are the kind of person that maybe you just want like a low to medium risk investment, and crypto is for you if you're the kind of person that you want maybe a high risk investment. I can have access to all of these investments when they come on the Growny app. Again, you can join the waitlist for Growny via the link in the description below or via the link in the pinned comment of this video. Please, that's a big favor I want you guys to do for me. Go and join the waitlist so that you'll be the first to know when we launch the app. And we are launching it one step or one feature at a time. So if you want to start from day zero with Growny, don't forget to join the waitlist. Again, the link is in the description below or in the pinned comment of this video. So that's it for this video, but before I go, please, I want to say something. Now, you see, making money in 2026 will not be by luck. It will never be by luck. It is about following these 3 simple steps and also staying patient. Follow these 3 steps I've talked about for the next 12 months and your financial situation can look completely different by this time next year. Now, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know whatever you've learned from this video. If you also have a question for me, please ask them in the comment section below. I'll be replying all your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.